what you do is you all go into a main entrance, like a big sort of opening cathedral, and then excuse me.
Idiot. What the hell are you two doing?
Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
The A66, that's closed today at Temple Sabi due to roadworks. It's a very long closure this, and the diversion is also.
As the aim of the report is to shed light on these crimes and to stop them being repeated.
Police in Nottinghamshire have
sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining.